Microsoft Bookings is an online and mobile app for small businesses who provide services to customers on an appointment basis. Some good examples of those businesses would include hair salons or dental offices, spas, law firms, financial service providers, and I think you get the hint. But Bookings has three primary components. There's a page where their customers can schedule appointments with the staff member who should provide the service. There's a set of web-based business-facing pages where business owners can record those customer preferences, manage your staff schedules, define the services. And there's also a mobile-facing or a business-facing mobile app where the business owners can see all of their bookings and access their customer lists. The goal of this presentation is to begin with that web experience for the customer, but then to switch roles and look at it from a business manager or owner and to be able to process those transactions in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. So in the first scenario, we'll play the role of the customer, and this is where the customer searches online to book an appointment. So you see the set of services that this company, Kronos US, provides. They have 5 different services from the website in which I can book. Not quite sure what those services are, so I can click on the information icon. I see it's $75 an hour, and I'm not quite sure what it will be, but I think it's perfect for my initial discovery. So I select OK, and then I'll scroll down. And you see the calendar and you see the times. You can also determine that only for that service, we only have these 2 consultants to support that. So you can certainly restrict based on expertise. And then we'll go ahead and select a time for that. And then I enter in my company name and my email address. And I click on book. And now me as a customer, I'll get an email confirmation, and so does the business owner, letting them know that we've got a new customer, right? So this is just the confirmation page. The customer can make adjustments to their appointment. Now, as a business owner, right, I am going to manage this opportunity. So as a result of the seamless integration between Office and Dynamics, I want to show you a couple of things that the new customer and the service items are synchronized. So if I go over to customers, you'll see that there's a new customer called Demo Excellence, right? That was added from the bookings. If I come into items, you see I have a number of different services added to my inventory. I'll select the initial consultation, and you'll see the service is the type is service, the base unit of measure is hour, and you can see the $75. So we'll close that out. And in addition to creating the customers and the items, there's the integration to Outlook that provides those confirmations to the business owner. So from the waffle or the app switcher up in the top left corner, I'll switch to Outlook, and you'll see as the business owner, I get this new email that says, hey, I've got a new booking. So now I got to actually transact, and what do I do with these appointments? So from the scheduling side, that's been managed, but on the business application side, you'll notice that in my tile here, I've got something with uninvoiced bookings. It's number 1. And so from the home page, right, this is the single booking which has occurred yet. It's not yet been invoiced. So I'll click in there, and you'll notice that I've got this one appointment, and it's already happened. So now I can go ahead and create the invoice. If I had multiple bookings, I can select invoice all, or in this case here, I'll create the invoice, and you see again, creates the customer invoice, puts it in the line item, and then I simply need to post. Do I want to post the invoice? Yes. And now I've got a posted sales invoice that I can send out to the customer. We'll close that out. The appointment, now let's go ahead and take a look at the appointment, but the customer history. So again, I no longer have uninvoiced bookings. That's been zeroed out. And if I come into the customers, you'll see here from my Demo Excellence company that we created, there's a total sales, a balance of $75, and that was the cost of that first implementation. And so again, the demonstration there was to talk about the Bookings app and how it's integrated into the Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations app, certainly as a way to help manage customer schedules and company schedules, but also to track and post those invoices by the customer.